Are you looking for the perfect full-frame mirrorless camera to take your photography or filmmaking to the next level? In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 full-frame mirrorless cameras that deliver the best image quality, performance, and value for 2025. Whether you're a beginner stepping up your gear, a professional seeking a reliable workhorse, or a content creator who wants the sharpest visuals, this list has something for you. Let's drive in. 5. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 4K digital camera is designed for creators who demand exceptional quality and performance. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and Digic X processor, it delivers stunning image clarity and fine detail, making it ideal for both photography and vlogging. With high-speed continuous shooting up to 12 FPS using the electronic first curtain shutter and 15 FPS with the electronic shutter, capturing fast-moving subjects becomes effortless. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system covers up to 100% of the frame with 651 AF zones, offering advanced subject detection and tracking, powered by deep learning for people, animals, and vehicles. The camera also excels in challenging lighting with advanced A+ assist, producing vibrant results even in night or backlit scenarios. For video creators, it offers 6K oversampled uncropped 4K video at up to 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, along with a close-up demo mode that automatically shifts focus to nearby subjects for seamless recording. Featuring a 2.36 million dot EVF and a vari-angle Clearview LCD2 touchscreen, it allows effortless framing from any angle. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, users can easily transfer files and control the camera remotely through the Canon Camera Connect app. 4. Panasonic Lumix S9. This bundle offers everything you need to capture professional quality content with ease, featuring the Panasonic Lumix S9 mirrorless camera in a bold red finish paired with the versatile Lumix S 2060mm f3.5 to 5.6 lens. Compact yet powerful, the S9 boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality even in low light, while providing access to over 80 L-mount lenses for maximum creative flexibility. With seamless smartphone pairing via the Lumix Lab app, creators can instantly share content, apply custom LUTs, and streamline their workflow. Designed for versatility, the camera includes hybrid zoom capabilities, pre-burst shooting at 30 FPS, time-lapse, and stop-motion features, making it ideal for both photo and video projects. Lightweight and optimized for mobility, this system is complemented by essential accessories including a 64GB memory card, extra battery pack, 3-piece filter kit, USB-C charging kit, camera case, flexible tripod, cleaning kit, lens caps, cap keeper, card reader, and card wallet, ensuring you're ready to shoot anytime, anywhere. 3. SYSTEM E-M10 Mark. This camera is equipped with a powerful 20-megapixel live MOS sensor and the advanced TruePic 8 image processor, delivering sharp, high-quality images and Ultra HD 4K video recording. Its in-body 5-axis image stabilization ensures smooth, blur-free shots with up to 4.5 shutter speeds of compensation, making it ideal for handheld shooting. The 180-degree flip-down monitor with a dedicated selfie mode makes vlogging and self-portraits effortless, as the mode activates automatically when the screen is flipped down. With 16 creative art filters, you can easily fine-tune your shots using the slider on the monitor, or the dial button for a personalized touch. Sharing your photos and videos is seamless thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to instantly transfer content and even shoot remotely using the OI Share smartphone app. Number 2. Nikon Z50 II. Go beyond the limits of smartphone photography with the Nikon Z50 II, a compact mirrorless camera that delivers lifelike colors and stunning detail in any light, thanks to its powerful 20.9 megapixel DX format APS-C sensor. Whether you're exploring creative looks with 31 built-in picture control presets, customizing your own styles, or downloading unique cloud picture controls directly to your camera, you'll find endless ways to define your aesthetic. Advanced subject detection makes focusing effortless, tracking people, pets, birds, vehicles, and more with precision, while dedicated modes for birds and airplanes ensure sharp results even in challenging conditions. Videographers can capture breathtaking 4K UHD 60p footage, create dramatic 120p Full HD slow motion clips, and enjoy steady results with built-in electronic VR and a dedicated product review mode. A built-in flash ensures natural-looking portraits indoors and at night, while seamless sharing through the Nikon SnapBridge app keeps your memories ready to post in seconds. Complete with the versatile Nikon Z DX 16-50mm f3.5 to 6.3 VR and Nikon Z DX50 to 250mm f4.5 to 6.3 VR lenses, the Z50 II is your all-in-one creative companion. 1. Sony A7 III. The advanced 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated 35mm full-frame XMOR CMOS sensor delivers exceptional image quality with 1.8x readout speed, offering a wide 15-stop dynamic range, 14-bit uncompressed RAW support, and an impressive ISO range of 50 to 204,800 for superior performance in any lighting condition. With up to 10 FPS continuous shooting using either a silent or mechanical shutter and reliable AE/AF tracking, it ensures you never miss a moment. The powerful autofocus system combines 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, covering 93% of the frame for fast, precise focusing. Included in the box are the SEL 2870 lens hood, front and rear caps, rechargeable NP-FZ100 battery, AC UUD12 adapter, shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, and a micro USB cable. Everything you need to get started with professional full-frame photography. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 full-frame mirrorless cameras. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, there's something here for every level and budget. If you want to check out any of these cameras, I've included all the product links in the description below, so you can easily find the one that's right for you. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.